In this video, we will be addressing the most important question. What are the best resources for CAT 2025 preparation? To begin with, the first and the foremost is to have all the past year papers handy. यानी कि CAT के जितने भी exams अभी तक हुए, ensure you have all of them with you. Second comes mocks. Now we will come to this part later on, but let's quickly first understand the books section by section that you need for your CAT preparation. To begin with, for QA, we have How to Prepare for QA for CAT by Arun Sharma, QA for CAT by Nishit K. Sinha. And if you are someone who are after detailed solution, if you want a detailed solution for each and every problem, then Quantum CAT by Sarvesh Verma should be your go-to book. Now, the second part, that is VARC. The foremost and the most important thing is you should read each and every editorial of every newspaper that is available to you, because this is very important. Now again, coming to the books, VARC for CAT by Nishit K. Sinha, High School English Grammar and Composition by Renan Barton. Now, if you are someone who feels their VARC is not so strong and they need to work upon it a lot, then go for the book Word Power Made Easy. It's like a Bible by Norman Lewis, which will ensure that your foundation to English is all sorted. Now let's quickly come back to DILR. Again, books by Arun Sharma, Modern Approach to LR by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. Now if you remember, mock test is still left untouched. So after going through all these books, after clearing all the foundation, after having conceptual clarity of each and every subject, of each and every section, go for mock test, because this will ensure that you are acing your CAT. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.